to Igbo Galaxy, where you learn how to read, write, and speak Igbo in easy and simple ways. And in this video, we are going to learn the days of the week in Igbo in 60 seconds. Yes, 60 seconds. Do you know that in the ancient days, and before the coming of the white men, the Igbo people only have 4 market days: Eke, Orie, Afo, and Nkwo. The life and activities of the Igbo people revolve around these 4 market days, as well as the names of their children, who are named according to these 4 market days. With the coming of the white men in Igbo land and Africa as a whole, the Igbos were compelled to drop their 4 market day system and adopt the white man's system of using Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Hope you've learned this today. Biko, like, subscribe, and share. Ndewo. God is here.